The remOVE system is used for the endoscopic removal of all Ovesco clips in the digestive tract. In this video, we will show you the assembly process and valuable tips for using the system. Further information on the system can also be found in our instructions for use and in our media library. First, place the device on a stable surface with sufficient distance from the wall. Connect the power cord to the remOVE DC impulse and connect the power cord to the main supply. Connect the foot switch to the remOVE DC impulse. When connecting, make sure that the two red markings are opposite each other. Connect the DC cable to the remOVE DC impulse. When connecting, make sure that the two red markings are opposite each other. Connect the remOVE DC cutter to the DC cord. When connecting, make sure that the red and white markings are opposite each other. Switch on the device. The status indicator will flash green during charging. Make sure to allow enough time, as the charging process can take up to 10 minutes. Charging is complete when you hear 3 short beeps and all 8 LEDs are solid green. Carefully peel the remOVE shield from its carrier foil. Position the round part on the endoscope lens, ensuring no functions are obstructed. Secure the short wings, then the long wings around the endoscope tip. If bubbles form under the shield, you should smooth them out or use the second included shield instead. Advance the endoscope with the mounted remOVE shield to the application site. Ensure the thin parts of the clip are easily accessible. Otherwise, the clip must be dissected free. A grasping instrument can be used to bring the clip into position before the procedure, so that the thin parts are exposed. If body fluids prevent good contact, rinse the clip before attempting to cut. Introduce the remOVE DC cutter through the working channel. If you hear a continuous tone upon insertion, remove the instrument from the patient and carefully separate the 3 electrodes of the cutter tip, for example with a piece of paper. For an optimal view during the cut, maintain a distance of 30 to 40 mm between the endoscope tip and the clip. Now establish contact with the clip. A continuous audible signal confirms that all 3 tips are in full contact. An intermittent or stuttering signal means that not all 3 tips have contact. This is not sufficient for a cut. Rotate the endoscope or reposition the cutter until the tone is stable. With a continuous tone, press the foot switch once to trigger the cut. After a successful cut, the signal tone will stop and the status display will blink green for approximately 6 seconds. The remOVE DC impulse is ready for the next use when the status display is solid green and 3 short beeps are heard. Depending on the clip, multiple impulses at the same spot may be necessary. Therefore, maintain your position relative to the clip after the first cut. To facilitate removal, the clip should be severed in 2 places on opposite sides. When using the remOVE system in combination with the AWC Duo, the DC cutter can be positioned either through the endoscope's working channel or through the additional working channel, providing flexibility and optimal access to different parts of the Ovesco clip. Additionally, a grasping instrument can be introduced through the free working channel to stabilize clips during fragmentation. This bimanual approach provides additional grip and mechanical traction, leading to a more effective clip removal process that can save time and facilitate the procedure. If you hear a continuous tone without any clip contact, residue may remain on the cutter tip. In this case, retract the DC cutter and fire a pulse away from the patient to separate the 3 electrodes. Be aware of potential sparks. If all 8 LEDs blink orange, an error has occurred. In this case, please contact the manufacturer. After severing the clip, switch off the remOVE DC impulse, then remove the endoscope from the patient. The remOVE shield and the remOVE DC cutter are disposed of after the cutting procedure is complete. To retrieve the clip fragments, first moisten the endoscope tip, and then mount the remOVE secure cap. Introduce the endoscope with the mounted cap. Then insert the closed remOVE grasper through the working channel. Target a fragment, carefully open the grasper and seize the fragment securely. Gently pull the fragment completely into the cap. Hold the grasper firmly closed and carefully remove the endoscope. Repeat the process for any remaining fragments. For more information and training materials on the remOVE system, visit the Ovesco Training Campus.